Good morning, Sachin. You are looking like a doctor today. What's special today?
Don't you know what's today?
Can you tell me, please?
As you know, life is uncertain. You never know what's going to hit you until it hits you. In these crucial moments, we need someone who can make a difference. Someone like a superhero.
A superhero, do they really exist?
Yes, they are our doctors. He's the first person you see when you enter the world. He might as well be the last one to say goodbye. Remember the time when he was there for you and the people you love. He just cares and only cares for us. Today, let's take a moment to recognize these superheroes that live among us. Doctors are the forefront of the fight against COVID-19 pandemic, overcoming multiple challenges and making personal sacrifices to keep us safe.
National Doctors' Day in India is celebrated on July 1st to thank physicians and doctors for their dedicated services to patients. The day honors the contribution and dedication of the doctors during our hardships. As this day marks the death anniversary of legendary physician and former West Bengal CM Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, the West Bengal government has declared a state holiday on this occasion. This day has a special significance this year. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, doctors and physicians all around the world have been recognized for their selfless services and acts. They were continuous shifts and risk their health for the sake of our benefits. This day gives us a perfect opportunity to salute their work. Thank you.
Every year, the theme of Doctors' Day is announced by the Indian Medical Association. The theme of Doctors' Day 2021 is Lessen the Mortality of COVID-19. The theme is decided keeping in mind the larger scale issues related to the medical field, professionals and doctors.
These difficult times amid the pandemic serve as a reminder of the contribution and sacrifices made by the doctors and healthcare staff all around the globe. To honor this noble profession, Doctors' Day is celebrated on different dates all around the world, whereas in India, National Doctors' Day is observed to recognize the contribution and sacrifices made by the doctors to individual lives and communities. This day perhaps holds even greater value now that the doctors are working in the front line to treat COVID-19 affected patients. Thank you.
चेहरा हमारा अब हम कम कम ही देखते हैं, कमरों में बेबसी के बस हम ही देखते हैं, बच्चों का अपने हंसना बस फोन पर है देखा, घायल हथेलियों पर जीवन की टूटी रेखा, हम घर के बिस्तरों पर कब से नहीं है सोए, छुप कर के नकाबों में हम कितनी बार रोए, लो रख लो अपने तमगे, इन सुर्खियों को रख लो, हर रोज की इन फर्जी हमदर्दियों को रख लो, क्यों मेरा रहनुमा ये सब रोकता नहीं है, कभी मौत के मुंह में यूं कोई झोंकता नहीं है, कोई रहनुमा नहीं है, कुछ सूझता नहीं है, जो जिंदगी बचाते उनको कोई पूछता नहीं है, मेरी भूली मुस्कुराहट तुम यूं संभाल रखना, अपना ख्याल रख के मेरा ख्याल रखना, मेरी भूली मुस्कुराहट तुम यूं संभाल रखना, अपना
confident and so safe when I know that my life is in your hands. You have always been a savior to me. Thank you on this special day.
On this occasion of Doctor's Day, I express my gratitude to you for always being there for us, serving us with happiness and treating our problems. Thank you, doctors.
The current pandemic that the world is undergoing warrants that this is perhaps the most difficult time we are going to face in our life. It is even more difficult for the doctors who are working tirelessly to ensure that all those who are infected are provided with proper medical facilities. Doctors' Day is an opportunity to thank all the heroes in the medical fraternity for their selfless contribution. Their contribution and hard work deserves our gratitude every day. Thank you, doctors.